There, good burning. Going to be replacing the windshield wiper fluid pump on my 2012 Toyota Tundra. Pretty much all you need, 10mm socket, dump everything off, 3 bolts, top bolt right here, another bolt down here, third bolt right there. That should be it. We got our 3 bolts out, or loose. Couple connectors on here on the bottom. Set aside our steering fluid container. To see if that will help. Go away, fly. Aha! Got it. Show you what I'm working with over here. It's very tight. This is the connector I was trying to get off. You take your little screwdriver, take it, push it in down there to the release, and then pull right off. But in order to get to it, sorry, my camera's battery's dead. I have a portable charger. Take your power steering fluid container, 3 bolts, slide it out of the way carefully because you don't want to mess those hoses up. And then we can get to the connectors. Okay, so we got both the connectors off. Now all we have is this rubber tube down here at the bottom of the pump that we have to take off. Okay? Now the fun part, because my container is, or my reservoir is full, I have to figure out how to get the fluid. There we go. Yeah, this hose is long enough. Mop bucket. Haha! Rubber hose long enough. Right now, pull the hose off. This should be just a pressure fitting. Kind of all I'm doing is wiggling up. There she goes. Look at that. It's the old one. Pulled right out. Pressure fitting. Nothing to it. Okay? Out with the old. In with the new. So now you got O-ring, and I'll put links in the description of where I got it from. Put the O-ring in, make sure it's seated in there. The new one. Orient your connector up. Push it in. Yep. Pour the remnants of your fluid into your engine bay. And there we go. Alright. We got the connector up. We got the output. You can see it's flush. Okay. Shouldn't leak. Sit it back in there. Plug it back in. And now I'm going to make sure that it works. Before I put any fluid in, before I put anything back together, just going to turn on the truck. Aha! It works! You hear the pump turn on. Alright, so now we can finish our install. Make sure we do everything. Put our rubber hose back on to the outlet. We've got our quantity sensor plug. Make sure we put it back on. That way our low fluid light doesn't come on and stay on. They're all snugged up. Wrench. Tighten down wherever you think is the appropriate tightness. Because I highly doubt there's an actual torque on these things. There might be. I have no idea what it is. And my component that I'm really concerned with falling off. I'm not going to worry about it. Alright. Reservoir's in. Take my fluid, pour it back in without making a huge mess. There we go. Also note that I did clean this out first. The lid is on, give everything else a once over. Let me fire it up, see if she works. As you can see, she sprays. Everything works perfect. Pretty easy job. I think it took me 20 minutes maybe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.